Hello everyone. If you ever wanted to use Instagram without everyone seeing your active status, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to disable this annoying feature. Let's get to it. Before we get started, make sure you have your Instagram app updated to avoid any issues. Go to your App Store and check for pending updates. Open the Instagram app and head to your profile. Tap the three vertical lines in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Here, select Settings and Privacy. Within Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you find the Messages and Stories Replies option and click on it. Within this section, you will find several options, but the one we are interested in is Show Activity Status. Click on this option and disable it. This will allow you to be in an inactive state while using Instagram without everyone knowing. If at some point you decide to show your activity status again, simply go back to this section and enable the Show Activity Status option. It's that simple. And that's it for today. Now you can enjoy Instagram without worrying about being detected while browsing. If you liked this trick, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. See you in the next video.